Hello, I'm Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a 2008 model Takeuchi TL130 that we have for sale here at Texas Skid Steer. You can see all the skid steers that we have for sale by going to our website, texasskidsteer.com. This one, like I say, it's a 2008 model, Takeuchi TL130. Machine runs good. You can see the condition of the machine yourself. Has auxiliary hydraulics, joystick controls. It's a very good running machine. It has 1,100 and something hours on it. Anyway, it's a nice machine, and it's got a good undercarriage. It starts right up, runs good. If I wasn't doing the video by myself, I'd show you that. You can see all of our website, all of our skid steers for sale on our website, texasskidsteer.com. This one is priced at $18,900, 1,100 hours, good running machine. Thank you for watching.